Hello guys, the world of the wealthy is certainly not boring. Let's start our top 5 surprising facts about rich people. Number 5. They are less giving. In 2018, a group played for real money. They gathered at a London university and were divided into higher status and lower status players. This reflected how much money each person received at the game's beginning. The game had a simple goal. Each player donated money to a group kitty. They were free to decide how much. After a round or two, the money was split between everyone. A player's wealth could grow either through chance or hard work. Those who earned their money proved to be the Scrooge McDuck of the group. They added the least. Things were not as selfish as they appeared. The poor participant had less to lose. Adding more money to the kitty was also their way of encouraging the rich guy to do the same. This increased their chances for a bigger return. However, the big fish refused to bite. They had more to lose, and those who earned their wealth had even less reason to just give it away. Number 4. They are more dishonest. The wealthy have special stalkers. These benign creepers are psychologists and they have been following the rich for decades. The reason? To see what privilege does to the human mind. The general view is that it grooms people to enjoy the benefits of dishonesty. Researchers took their notebooks to a busy intersection. The four-way was governed by right of way. The team noted the model of the cars that cut off other drivers. Road hogs appeared from both sides of the social fence. But new expensive vehicles were 4 times more likely to ignore the fact that it was not their turn to drive. The researchers then moved their goggle to a crosswalk where pedestrians had the right of way. Every cheap or old car stopped. Half of the expensive car ignored them. Technically, they broke a law. Driver must stop for people who want to cross. Elsewhere, the statistics are even starker. The wealthy cheat more on their spouses, their taxes and at games. They also have the moolah to buy stuff but are more likely to shoplift. Number 3. Rich women choose older men. In the past, wealth was skewed in men's favor. For this reason, women choose provider and men placed more importance on attractive looks. Both preferred a younger partner. As women become richer, they bring their own financial security to the relationship. They no longer look to men as providers but how good looking they are. Moreover, they want older men. This trend's popularity even coined a name, the George Clooney effect. This crushed the misconception that wealthy women act like men. In other words, prefer a toy boy as a partner. This female shift also changed how elite men like their women. According to a recent survey, they prefer even younger girls than before. Number 2. They pay less attention to others. Most people tend to feel invisible around the rich and powerful. As it turns out, this feeling is not their imagination. The upper class has a habit of ignoring those around them, more specifically, anyone who is beneath them socially and financially. In 2016, scientists lied through their teeth to volunteers. In two separate experiments, they were told that they were either testing new technology or playing a memory game. The fibbing was necessary. They could hardly tell the richer volunteers that they were being studied for this unusual trait. One group wore smart glasses that recorded everything they saw, while being under the impression of testing the device. Each volunteer walked down a street. The affluent ones spent less time looking at passerby from lower classes. Higher class participants also struggle with the memory game because they fail to pay attention to images showing faces. Number 1. They overestimate their worth. There is nothing wrong with having self confidence, but people from affluent families might overestimate their abilities. Even worse, others believe them. The consequences only serve the picky rich person. They get ahead in job interviews despite that other people are equally capable. Those who fall for their confidence might also later realize that they hired the wrong person. This was the conclusion of scientists who studied loan application and job interviews. Both included tests were wealthier applicants thought they did great. They actually performed average. Those with lower income were more in tune with their own scores, but it failed to give them the edge. As mentioned earlier, the elite's confidence impressed the money lenders and hiring agents. This is a problem. Such people offer better chances to others. If they fall for overconfidence in applicants who believe they rock, then this could explain why those with class and confidence issues fall behind, despite being just as capable. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.